All right. I don't know what to say. Besides today being a blast, I'm just going to start off and say thank you to the lady in guest relations. It's funny. She's the second Lisa that we've dealt with today, and for various reasons, and she was very nice. It's a good name, huh?
Yeah.
People like that have a good heart. Well, the reason I say that is I'm still walking out without my sports bottle that was stolen yesterday, but I got comped the $30. So after hearing me tell the story of what happened and how I got a 5-hour drive home, and this is not my home park, and I have a dining pass, so it's evident that I have the bottle and such and whatnot. The lady just said, look, I understand. She gave me a form to fill out, and thank you. I really appreciate that, because I'm not trying to take somebody's money. I legit had my bottle stolen, and now the redemption is fair. I really appreciate that. And our day was phenomenal. We got on 21 total rides. How about that? The Boss Marathon, unbelievable. Rough, and I'm sure I need a chiropractor.
My back hurts.
Your back's hurting? That could have been like any number of things. Getting slammed around in there, maybe.
The end of Boss.
The end of Boss?
Slam.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. That was oof. It was a great day, though. That one show, help me, sound effects. That was a pretty cool drum show with the music. We did see a show. I didn't get on video. We just relaxed and enjoyed the AC. What was that one? What Makes You Country?
What Makes You Country? I like that song.
Yeah, you knew all the songs in there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a nice 6-piece entertaining group doing a live country thing, singing along, and it was fun. It was really engaging. Again, I didn't get a video of that, just relax and enjoy, but I want to say those people did a great job. Mr. Freeze, yeah, that was great. Yeah, at night that was good. The mine train was fun earlier. The only one we really didn't ride today was Ninja, because that one will just kick you around really crazy, and couldn't talk El Michelle into it, and that's fine, because I think I got my abuse at the end on the Boss.
Yeah.
So the Boss would like to beat you now. I mean, see you now. No, I love the Boss. Don't get me wrong. I loved it. We even got a Boss shirt. That was cool. We found one like right at the end. I'm like, shoot, we forgot to get shirts, and they had some cool ones. So we got a Boss shirt. Yeah, this day has been great. It was nice to see run into Steven again from Thrill Max. It was nice seeing you. Hope you made it home safely. And yeah, not too crowded getting out of here, I hope. It looks like. So to sum it up, today was an amazing day. The park is wonderful, and the people truly are genuinely great. Except for that little douche canoe who stole my bottle the first time, whoever you may be. But justice was served. I feel happy about that. Kind of sucked having to think about it the whole time and worry, but it was good. So you can expect to see Al Michelle and I again soon. Not sure where, not sure when, how, with whom, or why, but you're going to see us soon. Whom?
With me.
Oh,
and with
yeah,
you.
well, yeah. I don't think we know anybody else out here now, so we're out of here. It's been fun. We're out.